Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for JasmyCoin. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here. Now we can go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. So here on the weekly, what do we see? We notice a level of support right here where price came down, hit, and reversed. Now we also notice a key level of resistance here where price came down, hit, and reversed. We can also see a key level here where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. And our most recent key level acting as resistance here. We can also plot our weekly swing high. This price came down, hit, and reversed. We also see a key level here where you see price come down, hit, reverse, acting as support, and as price broke through, we see the same key level acting as resistance. So, resetting our chart, these are all the key levels plotted on JasmyCoin with the limited price action we have. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.